Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to play Hellbent for Leather. We'll start by breaking down the powerful main riff. This iconic opening is often played on the low E and A strings, requiring precise palm muting for that signature heavy sound. Focus on clean articulation and a consistent rhythm. Take your time to master each note at a slower tempo, gradually building up speed. This foundational riff sets the high-energy tone for the entire song, so getting it right is crucial for an authentic performance. Next, let's explore the verse and pre-chorus sections, which add dynamic layers to the song. The verses typically feature driving power chords, often moving between a minor, C, and G. Focus on smooth transitions between these shapes. The pre-chorus then introduces a slightly different feel, building tension with specific melodic phrases that lead into the main chorus. Practice these parts to ensure your chord changes are clean and your rhythm remains powerful and consistent, preparing for the song's peak. Now, let's unleash the power of the chorus, the song's undeniable highlight. This section features a driving, memorable chord progression that demands a more open and powerful strumming technique. You'll want to hit those chords with conviction, letting them ring out. The tempo here is quite fast, around 192 beats per minute, so a solid, consistent rhythm is key. Make sure your guitar work supports the vocal melody, creating that anthemic, full-throttle sound that defines this classic. Finally, we'll touch upon the blistering guitar solo and the overall song structure. The solo is packed with fast licks and melodic phrases, so tackle it in small sections, gradually increasing your speed. Understanding how all the pieces fit together, intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and solo, is vital for a cohesive performance. Practice playing the entire song through, focusing on smooth transitions and maintaining energy. With dedication, you'll be playing this heavy metal anthem with confidence and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.